to monitor the networks in place today, our staff has separate responsibilities for data route and data pack. There are three main objectives with respect to data route: to maintain constant surveillance in real time, to provide real-time information on the status of the network, and to measure and analyze system performance. The primary tool used in meeting these objectives is an alarm network comprising two systems: RMS, the remote monitoring system, and NMS, the network management system. In RMS, remote monitoring units located in all data route serving areas constantly survey all components of the data route network and report major and minor failures to the network management system in Ottawa. Through NMS, information is displayed to our technicians in real time on CRTs, color graphics terminals, display boards, or in printed form in all data route serving areas across Canada. Should a failure degrade the network beyond an acceptable tolerance, RMS identifies the location of the trouble, and NMS automatically generates a message to data route personnel in system control offices or to all serving areas affected, and of course, to the NDCC for immediate analysis and control. This speedy reporting and control capability ensures that troubles on the data route network are corrected, often before they are reported by customers. The surveillance tools for data pack perform much the same kinds of monitoring functions as those for data route, but with more sophistication in the control of failures. NAMS, Network Administration and Maintenance System, is the NDCC's tool to manage data pack operations. Here in Ottawa, a dedicated network processor, similar to every other SL10 in the network, is used to collect data and produce reports for analysis by the National Data Control Center staff. It provides us with the capability to access and control all other data pack switches and their components. This processor also collects accounting data for customer billing and other statistics. Although data pack is self-diagnostic and self-corrective, if we spot a trend towards degradation, we can move quickly to eliminate the problem before it gets out of hand. At present, should degradation occur within the network, relevant information and time of failure are highlighted automatically to our technicians, and an historical account is printed out here at the center. The software inherent in every data pack switch across the country is also under the control of the NDCC, thus ensuring that service data in each switch is kept up to date. A corollary function to surveillance is the charting and appraising of network operations. We prepare, on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, system performance reports for Telecom Canada supervisors and managers across Canada. These reports allow them, and us, to measure how the networks are functioning according to an established set of standards, usually defined as percentage availability to users. In addition to making possible the tracking of degradation trends in the networks, the reports provide historical information regarding the quality of components. They help Telecom Canada management to formulate maintenance philosophy and application, and to define growth requirements. Beyond sophisticated computer systems and detailed management reports, however, the operational complexity of data networks demands special capabilities of the people who control them. Sometimes technical problems will arise somewhere along the networks that are beyond the capabilities of the local technician or our control personnel. These problems would then be escalated to the NDCC Network Technical Support Team, who will provide a higher level of expertise to any Telecom Canada technician anywhere in the country on a 24-hour basis. And beyond the NDCC itself, there are further technical and human resources in place to assist in the development, maintenance, and management of Canada's data networks. The future of the computer communications industry in Canada suggests organizational growth for Telecom Canada and a corresponding increase in network facilities and services. And the planning function of the National Data Control Center is very involved with controlling additions and expansion to both hardware and software components before they are brought into the networks. For example, if new equipment is to be introduced to the network anywhere in Canada, we make sure that everyone involved knows that the proper equipment has been ordered, the testing completed on schedule, and the correct paperwork done. So additions to the networks can be carried out with no disruption to service. It is evident that without the technical expertise to act, and act quickly, all the tools we've mentioned, RMS, NMS, NAMS, reports, planning, would be meaningless. We at the National Data Control Center are an action-oriented group. We control the networks, night and day. And we are always ready to act, to guarantee that Canada's networks are in good hands.